In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana to create trending carousels that will help you captivate your audience and make your content shine on social media platforms like Instagram. Nano Banana is a powerful AI tool that can help you design stunning carousel images with just a few clicks, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process to ensure you get the most out of it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Gemini, a platform that houses the Nano Banana tool. Once you're on the homepage, you should see an icon that resembles a folder or a plus sign. Go ahead and click on this to proceed with adding files. This is where you'll start bringing your vision to life by adding the necessary materials needed to design your carousel. Next, you'll need to upload a reference image. Think about a carousel design that you admire or find inspiring. Uploading this reference helps guide the AI in understanding the style and layout you aim to achieve. Just drag and drop your image file into the specified upload area and let Nano Banana analyze it for inspiration. After your reference image is uploaded, it's time to provide some contextual information. This is an essential step where you input a subject and a descriptive prompt. For instance, if you're focusing on a particular trend or person, type that into the subject field. Also, add a detailed prompt explaining what features or focal points you'd like in your carousel. This could be anything from highlighting specific colors to emphasizing certain visual elements. Once you've set up your subject and prompt, you'll see a button labeled Generate. Click on this and let the AI work its magic. Nano Banana will apply the styles and elements taken from your reference image to craft a unique carousel based on your specifications. You'll be amazed at how easily the AI integrates your inputs into a cohesive design. When you are satisfied with the generated images, it's time to download them. Look for a download button, typically found in the corner of the screen. Make sure to save the image with the new font style and design elements that Nano Banana has applied. Now, to elevate your carousel even further, refine the image in a design tool like Canva. Upload the image there to resize as needed, and make any text or design modifications to ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand or campaign's aesthetics. Finally, it's time to create the actual carousel. Take the images you've refined and combine them into a multi-slide carousel suitable for platforms like Instagram. This process involves lining up each slide to create a cohesive storytelling experience for your viewers. And there you have it. You've just created a stunning on-trend carousel using Nano Banana. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to share your creative results with your audience. Your next viral post might just be a carousel away.